Hi boys and girls, this will be our STEM lesson for Thursday, April 30th. Since our lesson this week was looking at bird nests, I thought we could do a cooking activity of how to make a bird nest that you can eat. So I'm going to share with you a recipe called no-bake bird nest cookies. What you'll need are 2 cups of chow mein noodles, a half cup of peanut butter, and some butterscotch chips that are almost like chocolate chips, just a different flavor. And for the eggs in the nest, you use little chocolate covered eggs, okay? So I'm gonna show you how to mix this. It's pretty quick. The first thing you do is melt the butterscotch chips with the peanut butter. And you want it to be on low heat so that they don't cook so fast. So I need 3/4 cups. I'm going to pour 3 of these in. And they'll start to melt. And then I need to measure a half cup of peanut butter. So I have my peanut butter here. Scoop some in. And then this will melt pretty quickly with the butterscotch chips. Spread some in. Okay. So as I pour this in, you'll see the chips start to melt. And you want to keep stirring it so that they don't stick to the pan. So you can see already the chips are getting softer. And the peanut butter will melt almost into a liquid. And keep stirring it. Kind of scrape at the bottom. They're almost melted already. When you don't see the bumps anymore, that will mean that the chips are all melted. So keep stirring it, swishing it around. Scrape the edges. Wait just a second to let it heat. Continue stirring it. The next thing you'll need is a large bowl, and I'm going to pour this melted mixture into a bowl with those chow mein noodles, and you will need 2 cups of those. So I'm just going to turn the heat off and let that sit, and then I'm going to measure 2 cups of these noodles into this big bowl. So we're in 1 cup, a little bit more. I made these once before, so that can was empty. Okay, so that's 2 cups of those. The ones that fell. And then I'm going to pour the melted chocolate chips into that. Robin thinks it looks like dog food, but it's not. It's yummy and very sweet. Okay? Okay, then you stir this good so that all the noodles get covered. They're like a crunchy noodle. And gently lift it over, cover them all. Okay. Then, to get it to be the shape of a nest, you'll use cupcake muffin trays. If you use metal trays, you might want to put a cupcake liner in so that they don't stick. I'm using silicone, which is more of a plastic, and they'll come out pretty smoothly, okay? So I'm just gonna get a spoon and scoop this in to the cups. So you'll see they'll kind of just fall in. And the next one I'm not gonna use as much. I'll make a smaller nest because different creatures make nests of different sizes. So next I'll put some to the spot. You can see it just slides right off. I don't even have to push it or use my fingers to get it to come off the spoon. Another one here. One here. I'm going to add a little bit more to that one. Make it a little bit bigger. Okay. And I have enough for a few more. It just slides right off. Kind of shake it. Ooh, that will be a nice little nest. Put one here. These are not going to be hot, but they will be very sticky. So after you do this, you're going to let them set in the tray. I would say about 20 minutes. When I share the recipe, you'll see it says 10 minutes. They were still pretty sticky at 10 minutes, so let them sit. And then as the it's butterscotch. As the butterscotch melts, it will make the noodles stick together. Okay, so I'm just gonna set them aside so they can harden. After you let them set and you take them out on the tray, they do look like nests. And now I'm going to use my Easter eggs. They'll look like little bird eggs in the nests. So, and kind of press them in a little bit. Put one over here. And you would have a bird nest cookie. So I hope you enjoy. They're very yummy. Thanks.